to a year ago, the Cebu Provincial Government, led by Governor Hilario P. Davido III and its partners, launched a program that aims to reduce hunger in the province of Cebu. The Kusina sa Kahimsug o Pag-Amuma, or KKP, is a collaborative community feeding project between the capital, the Department of Education, the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Gawad Kalinga, and local government units. KKP, which piloted in the town of San Remigio and eventually was launched in the towns of Samboan and Madridejos, provides free meals to a targeted 5,000 kindergarten and grade 6 pupils for 120 days. From the project's conception until now, the program has already fed 15,702 school children with healthy, delicious meals. With more LGU partners in the pipeline, the KKP hopes to aid in the development of more children, promote good health, and lessen inequities as they grow older. KKP, a Visayan counterpart of the Kusina ng Kalinga program of GK, is a feeding program not like any other feeding programs. Governor Davide and Mrs. Jobel Angan Davide, the KKP advisor, have explained that apart from feeding the children, it involves all school teachers and parents in preparing the food for the kids to encourage them in sustaining serving of nutritious food at home. The project also involves information drives and the sharing of good practices of LGUs who have implemented the project to other towns and cities. In line with the 6 key development agenda of the administration of Governor Davide and Vice Governor Agnes Magpale, particularly on focusing and prioritizing health and social services for the Cebuanos, the KKP aims to help more towns and cities in uplifting the lives of children as it fulfills the promise of kalambuan sa matag Cebuano.